Rajbala Kitchen. Press the subscribe button and bell icon for update.
Today we are going to prepare mushroom curry. For this we have taken half kg mushrooms, cleaned properly, one big size onion cut to small pieces, cutted tomato one big size, 2 spoon ginger garlic paste, 2 potatoes cut to small pieces, bay leaf, cardamom, cloves, black pepper, mace and cinnamon. In masala, we have taken chili powder, turmeric powder, salt, coriander powder, garam masala, and refined oil. First of all, we will take one kadai or frying pan. Then we will take one big spoon oil to it and we will heat it. When the oil is hot, we have to add the dry spices into it and we will saute for some time so that it will give a nice smell. Then we will add the cutted potatoes into it and we'll fry it for some time. To fry the potatoes quickly, we can use a cover so that it will cook easily and properly. We have to check the potatoes in between so that it will not stick to the bottom of the kadai. We have to fry the potatoes till it is brown. See, the color of the potatoes are now brown. Now we have to, while adding the mushrooms, we have to squeeze the mushrooms with the palm. We have to ensure there is no more water in the mushrooms. See, I have drained the water properly from the mushrooms and I'm adding the mushrooms like this so that there will be no more water. Now we have to fry both the mushrooms and potatoes together for some more time. We can cover it properly and easily cook. Now we will check the potatoes and mushrooms whether it is cooked properly or not. See, potatoes is cooked. We will add the garam masala to it and we will fry it for 2 minutes more. Now the fried potatoes and mushrooms is ready. We will transfer it to a plate and keep aside. Now we will take one kadai and we will heat it. After the kadai is hot, we will take one big spoon oil into it and we'll add the cutted onions into it and we'll fry it for some time. To fry the onion quickly, we will add a pinch of salt into it and we'll continue to fry it. It will take approximately 2 minutes to the onion to change into brown color. See the color. See the color of onion. It is turning brown. Now we will add the ginger garlic paste into the onion and we will fry it for some time. Stir the paste vigorously so that it will not stick to the bottom of the kadai. To remove the bad smell of garlic from the paste, we will add a spoon of water into it and will cover it for 2 minutes. See, the ginger garlic paste is fried properly. Now it is giving a very good smell. We will add the cutted tomatoes into it and will fry it for some more time. We'll cover it so that the tomatoes will quickly cooked. See, the tomatoes are properly melted. Now we will add salt, turmeric powder, chili powder and coriander powder into the gravy. We will add a spoon of water into it so that the masala will be cooked properly. We'll cover it with a lid. Now see, the gravy is properly cooked. We will add the fried potatoes and mushrooms into the gravy and we'll mix the gravy with the potatoes and mushrooms properly. See, the gravy is properly mixed with potato and mushroom. We'll cover it for some time. After some time, we can see the oil is coming to the side of the kadai from the gravy. We will add 1/4 cup of water to the gravy. We will add less water to the gravy because mushroom releases water. If you will give more water, it will not taste good. We'll cover it for 2-3 minutes to boil the gravy. Now we will add a pinch of sugar to increase the taste of the gravy and we'll cover it for 2-3 minutes more. Now our gravy is ready. See, our potatoes are cooked properly. Now our mushroom curry is ready to eat. If you like our recipes, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.